What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your business account to personal account on Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Instagram account. After opening the Instagram app, you have to go to your profile. So after going to the profile, you will see a three dot bar icon in the top right corner. You have to click on it. After doing so, you have to scroll a little bit. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you, so that you can switch back to personal account on your Instagram. So after opening the settings and activity, what you need to do, you have to click on business tools and controls. You have to click on this option. After clicking on this option, you have to find the option called switch account type. So this is the main option. You have to click on this option, switch account type. Then there will be a pop-up. You have to click on switch to personal account, so that we can switch our account to personal. So after clicking that, here is another pop-up. What you need to do, you have to click on switch to personal account. After clicking on this, it will take some time, then your account will be switched to personal account. So guys, you can see now my account just switched to personal account from business account. So this is how you can change your business account to personal account of your Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.